Hello and welcome all. I am so happy to know that you're enjoying this show so much. I promise I'll continue to bring you many more interesting topics of discussion. This is Neelakshi Sengupta and you are listening to Just One Question. Today we have with us once again the ever generous and the dashing global Indian actor Kabir Bedi. Hi Kabir, it has been such a pleasure chatting with you. And we have been looking forward to this topic for quite a while. We know that most of the time the rehearsal process is of utmost importance to most actors. Be it the character development, the backstory creation, blocking the spaces, etc. Which side of the rehearsal appeals to you most? The physical side of the enactment or the intellectual exercise of giving life to that character?
There's no sort of part of a rehearsal series that I enjoy more than the others. A rehearsal series is really a process of getting your act together. And here in India we have a much greater luxury, I find, in the theatre. They rehearse over 6 weeks and etc. When you're rehearsing a play abroad, like I did for the Far Pavilions or I did for the Taj, you get 2 weeks, 3 weeks maximum.
Oh, okay.
And you are scrambling to beyond your lines to try and understand what is my inner journey, what is the graph of the character, what are the emotions I have to deal with. And then you have to deal with the director's interpretation of it as well.
Interesting.
But when I worked with Alec Padamsee, for instance, the hard part was not getting on top of the lines or performing a scene. The hard part was Alec would constantly change his mind and say, no, I think it'd be better if we tried it this way, tried it that way. And I like to sort of work towards a situation where finally you've got a lock on it, and then you can improvise beyond that on stage. But Alec never gave you that luxury because he was constantly looking at it and re-looking at it and trying things different ways. That was his nature. He was one of the hardest working people I knew. And he got it just by trial and error, was his method of teaching. So the journey of the rehearsal is one of discovering yourself in the role. But there was a comic aspect to this as well.
Tell us, please.
When I was acting as Othello, Nikki Bedi, who later became my wife, and I started having a relationship, and we didn't want anybody else to know. And so in all these passionate scenes, we were trying to show that we weren't passionate about each other. And Alec was saying, what the hell's wrong with you? Where's the passion? Is this brother, sister? I mean, what are we doing here? And we were trying to not let on that this relationship was going on. But eventually the play went off very well, and Nikki and I got married and stayed married for a good 15 years before she went back to London to have a brilliant career there in radio, and I found a wonderful new partner in Parveen. I met her actually while I was doing the Far Pavilions in London, which is a wonderful play based on a book by M.M.K. And it's set in the time of British colonial rule, and it's to do with the journey of a young princess and a young British officer who meet and fall in love, and all the complications that arise from their coming together at a time when the Maharajas had their world and the British had their world, and rarely did the twain meet in terms of romance. So it was a wonderful thing. We performed at the Shaftesbury Theatre, and it was one of these grand old theatres, a 1700-seater with 4 levels and a live orchestra playing in the pit. And it was quite an experience. That experience you get only in big theatre.
Fascinating, Kabir. What awesome experiences you've had. I'm so glad we got to chat with you on this subject. And on that note, I shall take your leave. Thank you again. This is Neelakshi Sengupta, and you have been listening to just one question.